Hiro-san, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone.
All right, this is part 2 of the crawfish boil. You saw earlier in the previous crawfish dish, Hiro seasoned the water, he boiled it, and then he took it out, he strained it, and of course he peeled it. And we're going to show you these ingredients right now. This is a very simple recipe. Hiro-san, let's go through these.
Yeah,
we have
crawfish,
okay,
onion, tomatoes, green onion, egg,
okay,
and I'm gonna have a sesame oil, mirin, soy sauce, and ichiban dashi, and
Okay.
oba.
all right.
So if you see this one, is what I'm going to make. Probably people can guessing. Very fast. Today's a fast recipe.
Fast recipe. All right, you guys can do this at home so easily. All right, Hiro-san, let's do this.
Yeah, crawfish donburi.
Crawfish Donburi, okay. And of course, if you don't get any crawfish, use some shrimp. Boil some shrimp and just peel and use that instead. Cut up in small pieces. All right, Hiro, let's go through
Let's
this.
start. Okay, heat on. And then the first thing I'm gonna add the dashi.
Okay. The combination here is 5-1-1, right?
Yeah, 5-1-1, same
Okay.
thing as like last time.
5 dashi, 1 soy sauce, and 1 mirin.
Yes.
Very similar to the tempura sauce, which is 4-1-1.
Yeah, 4-1-1. So
Okay.
okay, well, we do cooking, and the next one I'm gonna ready for the eggs.
Okay.
Okay. Just like this.
Okay. I'll wait till the onions are soft.
Yeah, onion getting a little bit soft. Just wait.
Okay.
And then of course, the crawfish is already cooked already, once cooked already, and always last 2 minutes.
Okay.
I'm gonna add the crawfish.
All right, very good. Gotta be the simplest recipe you've done in the studio here,
Very, very simple.
right?
And this is a little bit different than normal donburi,
Okay.
tomato.
Yeah, we want to add tomato to kind of give it a
Yeah.
crawfish boil style. With some tomatoes in there.
Okay, now I wanna add the crawfish. A little bit of sesame oil. And then half of the onion. Then egg. Okay. Off heat.
Okay.
Then I want to put over the rice. Okay. Then I want to put the fresh scallion a little bit. And actually, I have an over, so I want to put a little bit over too.
You know what this looks like, Hiro? The Cajun shrimp etouffee. So very similar. This looks like crawfish etouffee. Yeah, Cajun fish, Cajun dish. That's like a Cajun dish. That crawfish over rice. Actually, they put it reverse. They put the rice on top, but this looks very similar. Wow. So simple.
Okay. Go.
All right. Well, there you go. There you have it.
Yeah.
Beautiful, simple dish.
Very simple.
Hiro-san,
too
thank
simple
you.
today.
Yeah, very simple today, right? You guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us what you would call this. I think it's kind of like Japanese etouffee, crawfish. Here, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hiro, here we are to the tasting part. I can't wait. This looks so good. Looks like a kind of a jambalaya style, Louisiana kind of dish, right?
Jambalaya style?
Jambalaya, yeah.
Oh.
No sausage, but just look at it. Some tabenos, got the vegetables, the onions, of course, Japanese style egg. And the way you cooked it in here with the dashi and the soy sauce and the mirin. Here, let's dig in.
Okay.
That live crawfish, as you guys saw earlier in the previous video. Take a look at this. This is real comfort food, right?
Is it for you? Okay?
Oh, thank you so much.
Look at this.
Wow.
Look. Ooh.
Amazing. Egg is still kind of just done.
Yeah, I like not too well done.
Yeah.
Little bit running, you know.
Sure. Enjoy.
Okay.
How's that, Hiro? Have you had this before? Kind of crawfish?
No, the crawfish I have never done.
But this style.
Donburi is even I never made it with a shrimp. Or chicken or katsudon or with beef.
Okay.
Beef is actually like we ate at Yoshinoya, right?
You're right. I love that. Wow, look at this egg. So let me tell you what, the sauce is so familiar. You know, talked about this before. Soy sauce with the dashi and the mirin. Coming with the egg and all that, just perfect. And then, of course, the crawfish is very tender.
The tomato, I was a little bit scary when you said other tomato.
I said, yeah.
But nothing bothering to me.
Not at all, right? Not your traditional Japanese. However, just wanted to kind of follow the footsteps of the crawfish boil or etouffee style.
Yeah.
That's very good, guys. And if you can't get live crawfish, maybe use shrimp, maybe scallops. Maybe do some king crab legs. Cut it in smaller pieces and do it. But this is so simple. I think one of the more simpler recipes we've done. I think you guys at home can really, you're always afraid of doing Japanese style dishes. Be your first one. I love the oba too. Oba gives it a fresh taste. What do you have there? Thank you so much, Hiro.
Hi, thank you very much.
You guys see you soon.
皆さん、こんにちは。寺田寿司道場の寺田です。今回ですね、日本のサブタイトルを入れてですね、新しいチャンネルをスタートしました。オリジナルのチャンネルはダリー・アリーズ・オブ・アマスター・寿司シェフと言いますね。日本のね、サブタイトルを入れてですね、日本の皆さんに楽しんでもらいたいと思いまして、このチャンネルを始めました。どうぞご覧ください。Today I have a great news. Japanese subtitle version channel is start. The name is Terada Sushi Dojo. It's in the kanji. Of course, you guys cannot read it, but a new channel. It's already started. Please watch it. So every video at the beginning, I am speaking in Japanese, a special introduction there. So something new. And in the future, a lot of videos coming. Also, Japanese special version of the video also coming too. So please stay tuned. More subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.